Are you struggling to get your baby to sleep? Or maybe you are having trouble sleeping yourself? If so, white noise might be the game changer you need. White noise is one of the simplest and most effective sleep solutions for babies, toddlers, and even adults. But are you using it correctly? In this video, we'll break down how white noise works, the best ways to use it for better sleep, and common mistakes to avoid. Before we start, let us know in the comments. Have you ever used white noise for sleep? Did it help? Let's share experiences. First, let's talk about what white noise actually is and why it works so well for sleep. White noise is a consistent, unchanging sound that masks other background noises, like traffic, household chatter, or a dog barking. It mimics the comforting sounds of the womb, making it especially soothing for newborns. It helps block out sudden noises that can startle babies or adults awake. Think of white noise as a sleep shield, protecting your rest from unwanted disturbances. White noise can work wonders for helping babies fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Here's how to use it correctly. Volume matters. Keep white noise between 50 and 60 decibels, about as loud as a running shower. Placement is key. Place the machine at least 3 to 6 feet away from your baby's crib, not too close. Choose continuous sound. Avoid white noise that turns off suddenly. This can wake your baby up. Pro tip: use white noise only during sleep time so your baby doesn't become overly dependent on it when awake. Not all white noise sounds are the same. Some work better for sleep than others. Here are the best types of white noise for a restful night. Steady white noise, a soft, continuous shh sound, great for blocking background noise. Fan noise, a gentle rhythmic hum that mimics the womb environment. Rain sounds, soothing and relaxing, but make sure there are no thunder effects. Ocean waves, calming, but best if the pattern is consistent and doesn't change too much. Avoid sharp or irregular sounds like bird chirping or music, as they can disrupt sleep. Step 4. Using white noise for adults and older kids. White noise isn't just for babies. It can dramatically improve sleep quality for older kids and adults too. It helps light sleepers stay asleep by masking background noise. It eases anxiety and stress, creating a calming sleep environment. It improves focus for those with ADHD or insomnia. Pro tip: if you have trouble unwinding, try white noise during meditation or relaxation before bed. Quick transition sound effect. Step 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Even though white noise is a great sleep tool, there are some mistakes to avoid. Using it too loudly, anything over 60 decibels, can be too stimulating instead of soothing. Turning it off too early, sudden silence can wake your baby up. Instead, use a gradual fade out if you want to stop it. Relying on phone apps. Phones can have notifications or ads that disrupt sleep. Use a dedicated white noise machine instead. Fix these mistakes, and white noise will be even more effective for your baby and you. Quick transition sound effect. Step 6. When to stop using white noise. Many parents wonder, when should I stop using white noise? The good news is, there's no rush. Most babies naturally outgrow the need for white noise between 12 to 18 months. If your child still sleeps better with it, there's no harm in continuing. If you want to transition away, reduce the volume gradually over a few weeks. Remember, if white noise is helping your family sleep better, there's no reason to stop unless you want to. Quick transition sound effect. Closing scene. Recap and call to action. Let's do a quick recap. Here's how to use white noise for better sleep. Use steady white noise, fan noise, or soft rain sounds for sleep. Keep volume between 50 to 60 decibels, not too loud. Place the machine 3 to 6 feet away for safety and effectiveness. Avoid turning it off suddenly. Let it play all night or fade out gradually. It's great for babies, toddlers, and adults alike. Now we want to hear from you. Have you tried white noise for sleep? Did it work? Drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert sleep tips. Thanks for watching. Sweet dreams. Outro music fades out with a closing screen showing subscribe for more.